Hey, it's Todd here from Huckabones, product specialist. Today's video is going to be on assembling a Big Green Egg extra large ultimate kit. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and put together the stand. One of the key things when you're doing the stand is to make sure that you follow the instructions. Even though I didn't, you'll see that I had to change a few things. But make sure they have step-by-step instructions of how to assemble the base. They call it the nest, Big Green Egg nest. And now we're going to open up the second box. And this box has all your ceramics in it. So it has your grill grate. Again, more instructions. They're very detailed. You want to have lots of space as well. Has your base plate. Has your thermometer. Has your top and your bottom of the Big Green Egg. Now definitely you want to make sure that you have somebody nice and strong to help you with it. And we'll set it on the base, so I guess I'll come. So when you're putting the fire bowl, this is called a fire bowl, you put that in. Watch your fingers. You want to have it centered in there and make sure that the fire bowl is completely centered so that you don't see the fire bowl from the outside. And then this is the ring that goes inside as well. And you'll see that they have Big Green Egg on the ceramic. So the Big Green Egg goes to the back. So we have the cast iron bottom fire plate that goes on the grate, the fire grate they call it. This goes in right at the very bottom. This is what holds the charcoal in. And you'll see it says Big Green Egg this side up, so you know exactly which way it goes. Then we have the fire grate. Goes in. There we go. So that's it for the bottom, and now we're going to put the top on. And we'll find the hole. You'll see the Big Green Egg actually goes at the very front. And there's a hole here for your thermometer. And you want to make sure everything lines up, so that there's no overbite or underbite at the back. So next you have a box that has band assembly kit. So now we're putting the arm or the handle on. You want to make sure that the top hooks are on the bottom part of the egg here. You'll see there's a little lip. Just put them on, then we can tighten them up after. You will need a 7/16 ratchet. They don't have one in the kit to tighten all the bolts up. So these are your hinges that you put on. You'll see that they have a front part and a back part. They have it on both sides. I recommend whenever you're putting them on, put them on finger tight and then go back at the very end and tighten them all up. So now we have the extra large all set up. It takes a long time in order to set it up. It takes you roughly around an hour and a half. But one of the key things is they have it in 3 stages. So first you have the integrated nest handler. This is the first thing that you set up. And that's the nest, this part itself. Okay. Then next you go to the egg band. The egg band is actually already set up on the egg, the top and the bottom. You just have to do the hinges. And the hinges are in the back here. So you have these hinges here that you have to assemble. I have them on loosely. And you also have to assemble these hinges here. And what these hinges do is it allows the egg to open and close. And these springs make it easy to open and close because this lid is extremely heavy. So this one hand I can lift this and close it. Makes it very easy. Okay? So once you have the lid on and it opens nice and easily, right? You put the side bands on for the acacia table, and these screw on right here. And then you put these little bolts on, which allow you to lift up and put the table or the side table on, and collapse the side table as well. So once you're all done, I want to show you what it comes with. The big green egg comes with your gripper. So this is your grill gripper. So it allows you to lift your grill in and out. Then you put your charcoal in. It also comes with, this is like we call it an ash tool. So it allows you to move around the ash inside. It also allows you to scoop the ash forward whenever you go to you pull all the ash forward, and you have a bucket here, and you put all the ash into there. Make sure when you do that, that it's a cold unit, not a hot unit, or you're going to catch a fire. So, last thing that we put on is the top. This is your egg regulator, and it just sits on. Make sure that you have the big green egg, goes forward or back. You want to make sure that you have big green egg facing forward. You set it on, and then this is how you regulate the top air, and you have the bottom air. So now you have a complete kit all set up, ready to go, and you're all ready to grill. If you have any questions, please list below in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe, and happy grilling.